Good morning, children. Today's subject is maths. Today we will see the next part of lesson number 4, that is multiplication and division. In last period we have completed the problem set 14. I think everyone have completed this all examples in your CW. So today we have to see the next part, that is division. In last period we have completed about the multiplication. I think everyone have understood the multiplication. So today we have to learn about the division. So let's start. In last year, okay, in last year 4th standard also there was the example based on division, okay, but it is of one digit. So now today or this year we have to see about the next part of division, that is two digit division. So let's see one example. So let's see one example for your practice. So here is the one example of division. 4205 divided by 5. For division we are using this symbol, okay. Dividend we are writing inside the box and divisor we have writing outside. So here divisor is 5, means we have to divide by 5. So we need the 5 table. So here I wrote the 5 table. Now start with 1 by 1. So first digit is what here? 4. First digit is what here? 4. Is it 4 is there in 5 table? Is it 4 is there in 5 table? No. And what? 4 is smaller than 5. Yes or no? 4 is smaller than 5. So, as 4 is smaller than 5, we have to divide by 0. For smaller number, we have to divide by 0. Okay, again that 0 only we have to write here. 5 0 0. Okay, 5 0 0. So 4 minus 0. Here we have to do the subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4 only. Now we have to take down the second digit. Okay, we have to take down the second digit downside. So now we get the number 42. Yes, now we get the number 42. Now we have to check, is it 42 is present in 5 table or not? Is it 42 is present in 5 table or not? Is it 42 is there? No. Is it 42 is there in 5 table? No. But less than 42, is it there? Yes. Less than 42? Yes, 40 is there. Less than 42. On which place it is? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On 8 place 40 is there. So here we have to divide by 8. Yes. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. Yes. 5 8s are 40. So now we have to do the minus 40. Now 2 minus 0, 2. And this 4 minus 4 is 0. So now we have to take down the third digit. Now we have to take down the third digit to the downside. So now we get the number which? 20. Now we get the number 20. Now we have to check. Is it in 5 table 20 is there? Is it in 5 table 20 is there? Yes. Yes, it is there. On which place it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4th place. It is on 4th place. So 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So 20 minus 20 or 0 minus 0 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0 only. 2 minus 2 is 0 only. Now we have to take down the last digit, that is 5. Now we have to take down the last digit, that is 5. So here we get the 5. Now we have to divide. We have to check, is it 5 in 5 table 5 is there? Yes. In 5 table 5 is there on first place only. Yes, so we have to divide by 1. So 5 ones are, yes, 5 ones are 5. So 5 minus 5 is 0. So this is what? Remainder. This is was remainder. Then this is called quotient. The answer is called the quotient, and this is dividend and divisor. Understood everyone? So now we have to start the problem set 15. See what it is. Question 1. Solve the following and write the quotient and remainder. Okay. So let's see. So first one. So what it is, first one, 1284 divided by 32. Now we have to see the two digit number division. 32 divided by 32. So let's see how to solve it. So see the first one, 1284 divided by 32. Okay. So this dividend we have to write that inside, and here divisor is 32. Now we have to need which table? We have to need the 32 table. So you have to make a 32 table. Understood? So everyone make a 32 table in a margin. You have to make a 32 table like that. So here I make the 32's table. Now let's see. First digit is what? 1. 1 is smaller than 32. So yes, 1 is smaller than 32. So now I am taking this 2 digit 12. Now I am taking the 2 digit, that is 12. Now 12 also smaller than 32. Yes, 12 also smaller than 32. So for that smaller number I will divide by 0. For that smaller number I will divide by 0. So now 32 zeros are 0 only. So now 12 minus 0. 12 minus 0 is 12 only. Yes, 12 minus 0 is 12 only. Now I am taking the third digit 8. 112. So here now which number we get? 128. Which number we get? 128. Yes. So see here now. Here is the 32's table. So is it 128 is there in that table? Yes. See it properly. Observe it properly. Yes. 120 is here. On which place it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4th place. It is on 4th place. So minus 128. Yes, understood. So minus 128. So 8 minus 8 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0 only. Now I am taking the last digit 4. So 4 is here. So now 4. 4 is smaller than 32. Yes, 4 is smaller than 32. So for 4 again we have to divide by 0 only. So 4 minus 0 is 4. 4 minus 0 is 4. So what we get, the answer is here 40. So this first 0 is not necessary to consider that. Okay, we cannot start any number with 0. So what is the answer? 40. And what is remainder? 4. What is remainder? 4. So that only we have to write. So the quotient is 40 and remainder is 4. Understood this first division example to everyone? Yes. See again 1. 1 by 1 you have to count the digit, and that number you have to take and observe in a table. Then you have to divide. Understood everyone? So now let's see the second one. So now let's see the second one. 5586 divided by 87. So now we need the 87 table. So here I wrote the 87 table. You also have to write this table in your CW. Okay, it's compulsory. While you are solving in CW, you have to write table also. Understood everyone? So let's see. First I am taking, see here, first digit is 5. It is smaller than 87. So now I am taking this 2 digit 55. Now I am taking the 2 digit 55. Is it 55 is there in 87 table? No. And this 55 is smaller than 87. Yes. 55 is smaller than 87. So for that smaller number I will divide by 0. For that smaller number I will divide by 0. So now 55 minus 0. 55 minus 0 is 55 only. Okay, 55 minus 0 is 55 only. Now I am taking the third digit 8. Now I am taking the third digit 8. So here I get the number 558. 558. Now check that. Is it 558 is there in that 87 table? Yes, is it 558 is there? No. But less than 550 is there? Yes. Less than 550 is there? Yes. Here having the less than 558, that is 522. 522 on which place? Sixth place. On which place it is? Sixth place. So now we have to divide by 6. Now we have to divide by 6. So what it is? 87 6 are 522. 87 6 are 522. So now we have to divide by 6. So now do the subtraction. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay. Understood? Now I am taking the last digit 6. I am taking the last digit 6. So here we get the number 366. 366. Is it 366 is there in 87 table? Yes. Is it 366 is there in 87 table? Check it. No. So now less than 366, which number is there? Less than 366 is there. See which is less than 348. Yes. 348. On which place it is? Fourth place. So now divide by 4. So what it is? So 87 4s are 348. 87 4s are 348. So now we have to do this subtraction. If you are confused to this subtraction here, you can do it aside. Okay. So for separately you can do the subtraction. So here we get the answer is what it is? 18. So is it all that digit over now? Yes. So check it. Is it we divide the all digit or not? Otherwise so many students are they are forgot to take the next digit. So you have to check it. So what is the answer is 64 and remainder is 18. That only you have to write it. So what is the quotient is 64 and remainder is 18. Understood everyone this second one? So now let's see the third one in a next part.